I'm Susan Berkley with the Inside Voiceover Video Training Blog, and the topic this week is how to sound more conversational doing a voiceover so you don't have that dreaded announcer sound. You want to sound like a real person. I've got a bunch of tips. The first tip is to make sure you know who you are and who you're talking to, and you can really visualize that other person on the other side of the script. The next tip, and this is huge, is to imagine what their response to you would be. I call this the secret dialogue technique. So no matter what you say, how are they responding? Now, you got to make this up, and you can actually write those words in between the lines, but it's almost as if you're listening for their response as you read. That is a powerful technique that's going to really make you sound natural. The next tip is to work without headphones or only keep one ear on when you record if you have to listen to a director, for example. That way you're not listening to yourself, but you can put your focus outside yourself on that invisible other person that you're talking to. And finally, discover the events in the script. So when you have a script, you know how it's going to end, you know all of the points, but the other person doesn't. So as you read along, discover it with them. Those are my tips for sounding more conversational. Try them out and let me know how you do.